Amongst the science team staff, the slough sampling is referred to as Fishy Fridays. We will seine, essentially dragging this net through the water at different portions of the slough and collect the small fish that occur there, and then ID all those fish, take abundance measurements for them, just in order to get a sense of the fish community. But in addition to that fish seining data, in each of these sloughs we'll collect things like dissolved oxygen content to determine the quality of the water, turbidity measurements. We will also take macroinvertebrate samples, specifically samples from the benthos, or the bottom of the slough. So we'll actually try to pull out a nice bit of muck, and we will rinse through that and look at the invertebrates there. It has been shown by a lot of other research that invertebrates, key taxa such as mayflies, caddisflies, and odonata, your dragonflies and damselflies, can be really good bioindicators for the quality of slough wetland sites. These slough wetlands in particular can be important to prevent flooding. They also take part in nutrient processing and cycling. They can actually remove a lot of nitrogen and phosphorus from water. So wetlands in general in some ways serve as kind of kidneys for the environment. And so we want to make sure those kidneys are functioning well. These slough wetlands are really important to the cranes themselves. Warm water or open water sloughs can actually serve as foraging areas for the cranes. So cranes may go to these slough wetlands and pick out things like some of the fish that are in there or the invertebrates, so it's a good place to forage. And while cranes will get a majority of their diet in terms of volume from cornfields, these slough wetlands really provide other nutrients that you maybe can't get from the corn that you're eating out of the cornfield. Instead, they get it from these wetlands. So they're really important to allowing for that migration to happen. Management of these slough wetlands is also critical to the whole habitat approach the Crane Trust takes in trying to ensure biological integrity throughout this whole region. In general, the slough wetlands are just a key habitat type in this area, and they're very unique. At the same time, they're a very threatened habitat due to shifts in the hydrology in the region, and so we want to make sure that we are maintaining it well, managing the land surrounding it well in a way that leads to healthy slough habitat.